Hi everyone. Recently had the question on how to identify who completed a form in Nintex Workflow Cloud when we don't have the user context object or any identifiable information on the form. Now, you can actually identify who they are. So let's go and create a workflow and talk about how we identify who did the submission. Now, this is only applicable to a form if we put authenticated users in this tenant. Now, if you select anyone with the form URL, obviously we don't know who they are because it's anonymous. However, once it's authenticated, we do have an idea of who they are. And in future, we will have the variables. So in variables, we will actually be able to have a variable that says current user's first name, last name, and email address. Now, that's not available yet, but you can still get that data in the workflow. So if we come back to the designer, I'll put together I don't know, just a signature and a, where's yes, no? There it is. So we'll just do a yes, no. We don't really need any rules or anything like that. So that's my form. I'm going to say if I'm got all the equipment to work from home and I tick the box and I put a signature in, then I'm good to go. Now, what happens is behind the scenes with the workflow is we automatically do collect this information. This information just isn't available on the Nintex form as of yet. We are working on that, so you will be able to put on a welcome message saying, hello, you, and welcome to Nintex Workflow Cloud, whatever it might be. But just know that you do still know the person's identity. So you could grab all these details here. You could make a task. Where's my... Actually, it's probably at the top. There we go. Assign a task. And so I could actually assign this to the person that completed it. So completed form and assign, and you go insert, start event variables, form variables, workflow initiator, sorry, email. So I can actually send them back saying, thanks for your confirmation that you are comfortable to work from home or whatever it might be. So we do actually have the start event workflow initiator there. And then you can put this details into SharePoint or Azure SQL or whatever you want. So just keep that in mind if you're building an Nintex Workflow Cloud workflow, because it can be a useful piece of information. Cheers.